wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west. I'm Hannah, and welcome back to Dream Again. Today kids, we are going to learn to cook something. You see, cooking is important to learn because we need to eat food. Food gives us energy, and since we love running around outside, we get our energy from the food group like potatoes or rice or even pasta. But we also want to make sure we stay healthy, and for that we need our vitamins and minerals. We get those by eating vegetables such as bananas or apples or squash or carrots or tomatoes. I see tomatoes over there. Now let's cook something. I figured, what do we all love? Yeah, you guessed it, kids. Pasta! It is my favorite meal. But how do we cook it? I don't have the recipe. Let me think about this, and while I'll do that, why don't we check in with Olivia?
Wow! Hi guys, do you guys see this really neat kitchen? Look at all the stuff it's got. I've got a pot to make food here. Right here is the sink, and I can wash all my fruits and vegetables in there. And then I have, look, all the spoons and spatulas hanging up top, and then some jam and some ketchup. Look at that! Now you can hear all the water boiling because I'm also making spaghetti. Yeah, I'm making spaghetti, and then I'm gonna put some squash in it and some tomatoes, and I think I'm gonna open up my own restaurant. Wow, isn't that great? Boil, 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 boil. Yeah, and the burner gets all red too, huh? So cool. Okay, I'm gonna turn the burner off now. And I hope you guys come back to Olivia's place. That's the name of my new diner. Yep. I'm gonna make pancakes and eggs and squash and some eggplant, and I got some peppers, all sorts of stuff, okay? Oh, pasta is my specialty. I'm so good at pasta. You're gonna love my pasta.
Kids, you are in luck. I asked Olivia if she'll share her pasta recipe with us, and she said, of course! So this is what you'll need. But make sure to ask your mom or dad to help, okay? So, here we go. You will need 10 tomatoes, 2 onions, 3 garlic cloves, and some spices like pepper, oregano, and chili, if you like it spicy. And then, of course, some noodles. That's pretty much it, so while you get those, let's sing the Muffin Man song.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on down the lane? Hello, I'm the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Hello, I am the Muffin Man who lives on down the lane. Do you want to have a taste? Have a taste, have a taste. Do you want to have a taste from the Muffin Man? They're the best in all the land, all the land, all the land. They're the best in all the land, from the Muffin Man. Thank you, Mr. Muffin Man, Muffin Man, Muffin Man. Thank you, Mr. Muffin Man, who lives on on down the lane.
Okay, kids, you ready? So here we go. This looks so yummy, doesn't it? You know what you should try too? Before you eat, try to smell your food and try to describe that smell. Let me see. It smells like tomatoes. Well, I guess that makes sense because of all the tomatoes we put in there. But I can also smell the garlic and the onions and the oregano. Oh, kids, did you hear that? That's my stomach growling. I guess I'm hungry. Enough smelling. I'm going to start eating, and let's see what Olivia and Noah got in the mail.
Whoa! Hi, kids!
Hi, kids.
Look, it looks like we've got mail today.
We did.
Ooh, I'm so excited. I love when we get letters from you guys. And ooh, art.
Look at this nice picture that was sent to us.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Should
This came from Jennifer from Idaho.
Ooh, Jennifer from Idaho. That's so pretty. I really like how you used all the colors of the rainbow and you made a pretty daisy with them.
Yeah, and it looks like a color wheel, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, it's like a color wheel and a flower together.
Yeah.
Aw.
Oh, it's our first piece of mail. How
Yay!
exciting.
Thank you, Jennifer.
Thank you, Jennifer
Yeah,
from
keep
Idaho.
coloring, keep watching.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye. Have fun.
Have fun.
Oh, I think I ate too much. I guess that's it for today. Time to go outside and play because I have so much energy because of all the pasta. Bye!
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Like us. Thanks!